Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nanda Kamil Salsabila. I will review Wonder Woman movie for fulfill medium task, academic listening and speaking. Okay, let's go. For all the book office and all the praise, even if much of this big-handed Wonder Woman is, in my opinion, a seriously underrated movie. If it was not for the existence of Logan, I will have no hesitation in calling it the best comic book movie since The Dark Knight, and it's almost recently the best light superhero film since Spider-Man 2. This despite a mediocre script and the sort of nothing fight at the end, which is the course of superhero movies. That's a big climb. What is not defeating Wonder Woman on a par with either and all time? Create a film like Casablanca or an influence one like Rosamund and arguably either in Iron Man 1 or the Avenger fit this latter category by kicking off the cinematic universe. Just a very good one. There are normally three criticisms made of Wonder Woman, and I will deal with all three. One, Diana goes through no character development in the film. She starts as the idealistic hero and ends as the idealistic hero. Two, as is part too common in superhero movies, or was nothing brilliant with no had thematic resonance. Three, Wonder Woman is nothing but a remake of Captain America 1. But first, what does Wonder Woman get right? As mentioned, the script was mediocre, but the script is not the only thing that influenced the film. It was the 1968 remake of Psycho would have been just good as the 1960 version or fake remake of choice, or on the other side, look at the train scenes, and once they had been handed a relatively mediocre script, and other than some of the CGI, just about everyone broke their game. So yes, I think Wonder Woman is not only a very good movie but a seriously underrated one that serves as an example of how you can make a very good movie out of an average script if you do everything else. I will review novel is what Unspoken Words, Alicia. This novel tells of child named Kemuning who doesn't have time to say any word before her mother dies. Indeed, Kemuning was late, but she wanted to turn back time. Mother came into Kemuning's dream on the 7 years of Kemuning marriage to Samudra. She came to say what she could not say 7 years ago when she was still alive. In her dream, Mother just stared at the clock as if enjoying the time she spent waiting. When she woke up, Kemuning's whole body was drenched in sweat. Samudra, who has beside her, asked if Kemuning was okay. In the past, after Mother's passed away, Samudra was the only one who accompanied Kemuning because her father had passed away. Losing a mother made her think all kind of things. The existence of Samudra is the only strength for Kemuning that keeps it from collapsing. Kemuning tries to accept the fact that mother is gone. Mother is a strong figure for Kemuning. Her father died when she was 6 years old. She didn't even remember what her father was like. Kemuning could only stare at her parents' wedding photo. Mother during her life was not someone who perfect. Mother often broke lunch for Kemuning when she was in elementary school. She tries to cook good food for Kemuning. Mother's experiment was not immediately successful. When mother tests the food that cannot be said to be delicious, she will winch, then throw away the palate food, Kemuning once threw away the lunch her mother had given her because she was bored and wanted to have snack at school. Kemuning wanted to mingle with other children by buying food that is sold in the school canteen. Many events in the past made Kemuning always remember mother. Mother's arrival in a dream may be the only hope Kemuning apologizes to mother behind her memories with mother. Kemuning tries to find out what her mysterious message meant. Kemuning now that she can only see mother in dreams and she realized that no dream will never end. This novel is able to convey a message to the reader through Kemuning's experience. How should a child behave properly to parents, especially mother, before it's late? Because we doesn't know when her last time was with our mother. In addition, in this novel there are several chapter sorry chapter that end with the dialogue which make it easy for the reader to understand how the story is meant by the author. In addition, this novel is able to make the reader move through the story experienced by the Kemuning. It was Mother Kemuning who tried to bring Kemuning to eat at the Sticks restaurant, even though the mother didn't have much money to eat at the restaurant. How the struggle of parents who want to see their children happy is very clearly, clearly explained in this novel. What's more, someone is easily moved by reading story relate to the mother. Okay, thank you. That's now for me. See you. Bye.